Bridget Rose, what are you doing? Hey, we are out here in the hoop house, throwing around mulch. You having fun out here? So we picked weeds for about an hour. We moved around mulch a little bit longer, and then we're just in the hoop house, in the greenhouse, enjoying some warm, fresh air and some giggles. We got the plants growing. Chilly outside, but nice and warm in here. I don't know if they could see what temperature was, but hey, it's nice and warm in here. You found some seeds and beans out there that were still on the vine you were chewing on. Where are you going? So you were throwing this around too, weren't you? Oh. We're gonna head outside the hoop house. We're gonna brave it out in the chilly cold. It's not that cold, and you're properly dressed, huh? Hey, you. You going in or out? In or out? In or out? Yeah? It's a miracle those socks have stayed on you this long. Yeah, yeah. Where are you going? Hello. Hello, Bridget Rose. Where are you going? The garden it's sleepy right now, but man, it is ready. Garlic's popping up. You were trying to climb all the garlic earlier, weren't you? I said you can climb almost anywhere in the garden, but you can't climb on Daddy's garlic. Oh, we're playing hide and seek now? Or tag? Or Bridget runs around the farm, Dad. Hello. Hello. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Hey, why don't we show everyone this? This is exciting. Our peas are sprouting up. Show everyone that there. Yeah. Lots of peas sprouting up. That's our first crop in the hoop house this year. Well, other than this fall crop. Oh no. Are you gonna make a chopped salad for everyone? A tornado salad? Yeah? Are you gonna taste that? Yeah? Yeah. 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 All right, Bridgie. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.